In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund a Questrade account. We're focusing on the instant deposit method, which is the fastest way to get your money into Questrade. Let's get started. First, log into your Questrade account. This is your gateway to managing your investments. It's essential to ensure you're on a secure network while logging in. This step is important because it protects your sensitive financial information. Once you're logged in, look for the Move Money option. This is your next stop and acts like a hub for all your financial transactions. Click on it. Now you'll see several options. Select Deposit. This is where we begin the process of adding funds into your account. Next, you need to choose a deposit method. Select either Interac or Visa Debit. Both options are reliable and popular. They allow for a straightforward transfer of funds from your bank to your Questrade account. With the deposit method chosen, it's time to decide which Questrade account you want to fund. You might have multiple accounts such as an RRSP or TFSA. Carefully select the one you intend to fund. This step ensures your money goes exactly where you need it. Now enter the deposit amount. Be mindful of your bank's daily limit, which is commonly 10,000 Canadian dollars. This ensures that your deposit will be processed without delays. Click Next to proceed. Following this, you'll see prompts guiding you to authorize the payment. This part is crucial as it confirms your intention to transfer the funds. Follow these prompts carefully to complete the authorization. After authorizing the payment, take a moment to confirm the deposit. This final check allows you to verify all the details are correct. It's always good practice to double-check before completing financial transactions. Once confirmed, wait for the funds to appear in your account. Typically, this happens almost instantly, thanks to the efficient processing of Interac and Visa Debit. It's one of the reasons many prefer this method. Remember, the processing time is usually instant, which is a significant advantage. You can quickly access your funds and start investing right away. However, always keep your bank's daily limit in mind. This helps avoid any unexpected issues with your deposit. And there you have it. You've successfully funded your Questrade account using the instant deposit method. This method is not only fast but also incredibly convenient. It's designed to make your investing journey as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now you can confidently fund your Questrade account whenever you need to. Happy investing!